going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm Grim Repair, and today we're working on a Ford Transit. We got a check engine light. We pulled the codes, and we have a P2196, P2198, and a P1450. Usually when you have two lean codes on both banks, you either have a vacuum leak that is affecting both sides of the engine, or you've got a clogged fuel filter or something going on with the fuel pump. It's not going to be an injector or a coil or a spark plug, because then you'd only have that problem on one bank. I believe that the purge valve code is causing the engine to run lean on both sides. So today I'm going to show you how to replace that. There'll be links down below in the description for the parts. If this video helps you out, be sure to give it a like. Tools you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, and I believe an 8mm socket. Take the flathead screwdriver, remove these hose clamps here and here. Then you're going to come around here, and there's two hoses that attach to this intake tubing. You're going to, this bottom big one here, you're going to just squeeze the tab down and it'll slide right off. And then this one here, you're going to press on the top and bottom and it'll come right off also. You're just going to slide this ducting out of the way. Here's the purge valve. We'll squeeze this electrical tab connector here, pulls off. And I've turned this around. Ford likes to make everything hard and face it to where you can't see what you're doing to remove it. But you squeeze these two tabs in right here. And then I'm taking the flathead and I'm pushing down on the rest of this green thing. And then you'll be able to remove that hose. Now you're going to loosen up these two 8mm bolts, and it just lifts out. The engine side here, if you were to put vacuum here, you shouldn't be able to pull through unless the solenoid is energized with 12 volts. If you're able to pull vacuum through this, then it's not sealing and it's bad. Here's the new one. And it's just going to slide in there, just like the old one came out. Tighten these down. Don't go absolutely crazy. We're working with plastic here. Slide that tube all the way in and pop the clip back up. Plug the electrical connector back in. And grab this ducting and wiggle it back into there. These just plug back in. Tighten these hose clamps back up. Now that we've replaced the part, we're going to clear the code. And it shouldn't come back, and that's it. High five, you did it.